All right, we have a Genie 2024 model chain drive, and this is how you set the limits on this unit. Make sure this is pulled forward in the locking position. All right, you have your up arrow, your up set, down arrow, and your down set. And we're gonna start by bringing this unit down to grab, and then I'm gonna set the up settings. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold the up, bring the door where I want it, which is right about there, right about there. Once you get the door where you want in the up, you're gonna go ahead and hold the up set until the light flashes. Right there, you can let go. So the up limits are set. Now we're gonna hold the down arrow to do our down limits. And then I always let go before it hits the ground, just so I can control that down. And then just tap it lightly, bring it where you want. And you see that it's gonna be as tight as we can get it right there. And have a slight gap on the right. Once you get it down where you want, go ahead and hold the down set. And then you're gonna hold it until that light turns on and flashes. Once it does, your limits are set. You can control your force settings up and down by turning the power up or down here. Okay. So you go ahead and test your unit by running it. And then down. That's how you set your limits on a Genie Model 2024 professional line. Thank you for watching.